Good morning, all of you. I am Supriya Khatwa from Government Polytechnic, Kendrapada, and I am going to teach about my chapter is differential equation. Before I am going to differential equation, first I tell about you definition of differential equation. What is differential equation? An equation consisting of independent variable also dependent variable and derivatives is known as differential equation. An equation consisting of independent variable. What is independent variable? Suppose I write dy by dx. That means derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x and where y is independent, y is dependent variable, where y is dependent variable and x is our independent variable. Y depends upon x, so y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So in our definition, independent variable is x and dependent variable is y, and its derivatives means dy by dx. An equation consisting of dependent variable, independent variable and its derivative dy by dx is known as differential equation. For example, dy by dx plus 5xy plus 2y equal to 0. Here dy by dx is derivative of y and x is our independent variable, y is our dependent variable. So this is an equation, this is a differential equation. Also I take another example, d square y by dx square. This is double derivative of y plus x square equal to y. X is our independent variable, y is our dependent variable, and d square y by dx square is double derivative of y. This is also a differential equation. Now I am going to order of a differential equation. What is order of a differential equation? Order of a differential equation is the order of highest derivative is the order of highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. For example, d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 3xy equal to 0. What is the order of differential equation? Order of a differential equation is the order of highest order derivative. In our example, d square y by dx square, this is second derivative of y. 2 dy by dx is first derivative of y plus 3xy equal to 0. In our example, this is second derivative and this is first derivative. And order of differential equation definition: highest order derivative between second and first. This is our highest order second derivative. So in given equation, order of the differential equation is 2, because our highest order derivative is second time, 2 times derivative, so our order is 2. Let's do another example. dq y by dx cube means third derivative of y. Then d square y by dx square, this is second derivative of y. dy by dx means first derivative of y. Between 3, our highest derivative is third times, 3 times derivative. So order of the differential equation is 3. Next, I am going to degree of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation is the highest power of highest derivative is the highest power of highest derivative in the differential equation after removing all the radicals. Degree of a differential equation is the highest power of highest derivative in the differential equation after removing all the radicals. In given example, d square y by dx power 2 whole square minus 2 dy by dx equal to 0. What is its order? Order is 2. Dy by dx first derivative, d square y by dx square is second derivative. So highest derivative is 2 times. So our order is 2. Now what about degree? Degree, definition of degree is the highest power of highest derivative. Here highest derivative is d square y by dx square, 2 times derivative, and its power is 2. So degree is 2. Highest derivative and highest power is 2. So our degree is 2. Now do some another problem. What is its order? dy by dx first derivative, d square y by dx square second derivative. So highest derivative is 2 times, order is 2. Now degree highest power of highest derivative between dy by dx and d square y by dx square. This is highest derivative, d square y by dx square, and its power is 3. So our degree is 3. Here dy by dx, its power is 5. This is the highest power, but this is not our degree. Why? Because definition tells highest derivative, power of highest derivative. So highest derivative is d square y by dx square second time. So we take its power as degree. Its power is 3. Also our degree also is 3. What is its order? This is second derivative, also this is second derivative. So highest derivative is 2 times, order is 2. Now what is degree? Degree, d square y by dx square and d square y by dx square. Both are second derivative of y. And what is degree? Highest derivative of highest power after removing all the radicals. Radicals means here is square root. Radicals means power such as fractions, decimals, or square root or cube root, etc. This is known as radicals. After removing all the radicals, here is a radical that is square root. So we have to first remove it. How we can remove a square root? If I take square in both sides, then the square root is removed. Then our equation becomes 1 plus d square y by dx square equal to d square y by dx plus y dx equal to 0. We have to find its order and degree. In first example, x dy plus y dx. What is its order? Dy means first derivative, dx means first derivative. So highest derivative is 1, order is also 1. And what is its degree? Dy means its power is 1, dx also its power is 1. So we have to take highest power. Both are same, so our degree is 1. Then I am going to second example, dy by dx equal to 2 by dy by dx. First we have to simplify this. How to simplify? Dy by dx in our right side, also here is a dy by dx, and we have to take it our left side. Then it becomes dy by dx whole square equal to 2. And what is its order? Here dy by dx means first derivative, so our order is 1. And what is its degree? Here power is 2, so its degree is 2. Then going to third example, d square y by dx square equal to square root of 2 minus dy by dx. First we have to remove this radical of squaring both sides. D square y by dx square whole square equal to 2 minus dy by dx. What is its order? Highest derivative is d square y by dx square. Second time 2 times derivative, so our order is 2. And degree, highest derivative, power of highest derivative is 2. Highest derivative is d square y by dx square, and its power is 2. So our degree is 2. Now I am going to solution of a differential equation. First method is our variable separation method. What is variable separation method? Suppose I write f of x dx plus f of y dy equal to 0. This is type 1. f of x dx plus f of y dy equal to 0. of x dx equal to f of y dy. Then we have to integrate on both the sides. Always we have to integrate f of x with respect to dx and f of y with respect to dy. Then I am going to type to f of y dx plus f of x dy equal to 0. Here f of y dx, f of x dy. Here y is a derivative, y is a variable and x is a variable, and x here also f of x with respect to dy. We can never integrate as it is, so we have to separate the variables. How? First f of x dx, let it take another side, minus f of x dy. Then we have to take f of x on your dx and f of y to the right side dy, because always we have to integrate f of x with respect to dx and f of y with respect to dy. In left side all the functions are function of x, in right side all the functions are function of y. Then we have to integrate on both sides, then we get our solution. Let's do some problem of variable separation method. One plus y square dx plus 1 plus x square dy equal to 0. And this is our type 2 example. Why? This is function of y with respect to dx and this is function of x with respect to dy. Now we have to separate this variable. First 1 plus y square dx, first we take it another side, minus 1 plus x square dy. Then we have to take 1 plus x square to our left side and 1 plus y square to our right side. Then dx by 1 plus x square equal to minus dy by 1 plus y square. Now we have to integrate on both the sides, and we know the formula 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the derivative of tan inverse x. So its integration is tan inverse x equal to minus tan inverse y. Also we have to take integrating constant as tan inverse c. Then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse c. That implies, we know the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That implies tan inverse x plus y equal to 1 minus xy equal to tan inverse c. That implies our solution is x plus y equal to 1 minus xy equal to c. This is our solution of the given differential equation. plus integrating constant. Now again we have to integrate on both the sides with respect to dx. Integration of dy by dx with respect to dx is y. Here 1 by 2 is constant and the integration of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x by 2 and integration of constant is kx and another constant integrating constant is c. This is our solution. Now do some another problem. X into 1 plus y square dx plus y into 1 plus x square dy equal to 0. Now we have to separate our variable. X into 1 plus y square dx equal to minus y into 1 plus x square dy. That implies we have to take 1 plus y square to the right side and 1 plus x square to the left side. So our new equation is x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to minus y by 1 plus y square dy. Then we have to integrate on both the sides. What is its integration? In our chapter integration, we know a formula. What is the formula? This is f dash x by f of x dx equal to integration of f dash x means derivative of f. Denominator is the function and the numerator is the derivative of denominator. F of x and f dash x is the derivative of f of x. And integration is log f of x plus integrating constant. Here our denominator is 1 plus x square. Its derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x. So 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. Also on this side derivative of 1 plus y square is 2y. But our numerator is x and here our numerator is y. If we make it 2x and here it is 2y. We make it 2x and 2y. This is the type of this example. F dash x by f of x dx. Then our integration will be log f of x. So we have to make it as 2x and this is 2y. So how? We have to multiply 2 on both the sides. 2x by 1 plus x square dx equal to minus 2y by 1 plus y square dy. Now it becomes, this is our f of x and this is the derivative of 1 plus x square. So its integration is log f of x log 1 plus x square equal to minus log 1 plus y square plus we take integrating constant as log c. Then log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus y square equal to log c. Then log 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square equal to log 0. Then we get our solution 1 plus x square plus 1 plus y square equal to 6. Let's do another problem. Type 1 problem. X dx plus y dy equal to 0. Here f of x with respect to dx, also f of y with respect to dy. Already this is the already separate the variable. So we have to direct integrate on both the sides. X dx plus y dy equal to integration of 0, we know constant x square by 2 plus y square by 2 equal to constant, that implies x square plus y square by 2 equal to constant. X square plus y square is equal to 2k, or we can write it as another constant c. This is our final solution. Let's do another problem from variable separation method. This is type 2. First we have to separate the variables. E to the power x cos y dx equal to minus e to the power x plus 1 sin y dy. Then we have to take e to the power x plus 1 to our left side. So it becomes e to the power x by e to the power x plus 1 dx, and we have to take cos y to our right side. So it becomes sin y by cos y dy. Now we have to integrate on both the sides. E to the power x plus 1. This is f of x, and e to the power x is f dash x. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Derivative of y is 0. So this is f of x and this is f dash x. Also in the right side, cos y, this is f of y minus sin y, this is derivative of cos y. This minus sign we can take to minus sin y. So its integration is log e to the power x plus 1, and also its integration is log cos y, and constant is log 6. That log cos y equal to log c. And we know log a minus log b. Log a by b. Log e to the power x plus 1 divide cos y equal to log c. There